Hello everyone, so let me just show you that how you can convert your Figma design into Nextjs or React code. Also you can convert it into HTML as well. So let me just show you how you can do it. Just first you need to go to Figma, then click on the first link. Okay, so let me just get one design. So this is one design which I have just made. Okay, so this is the design. You can see I will convert it into Nextjs code. So first you need to select the page, okay, and then you need to go to this option, drop down option, then click on this plugin, then you need to search for Locofy plugin. As I have already installed, so I don't have to install it again. So in your case you need to install it, and after that after you install the plugin you need to create an account in Locofy. So I have already done it, so I won't do it again. You just install the plugin and create an account. After that click on this Locofy plugin. Okay, it is running. Great. So as we have already selected the page, now we need to just, it is just scanning the page for providing us the code. Okay, so basically I recently just converted the design into the code, and if you want to reconvert it again, you can click on this create new button, then give any name, and then you can choose whether you want the code for mobile or web app. I will be choosing this web app. Then you can choose any, you can say if you want the code in React, HTML or Next.js. All the options are provided. I will be choosing this Next.js, and then you can choose whether you want in JavaScript or TypeScript. I will be choosing JavaScript. Then I will be choosing this Tailwind CSS. Then you can choose all these libraries. I will be choosing Chakra UI. Then click on create, and then let's go. It will be scanning the page, and in few minutes it will provide us the code. Just wait for some couple of seconds. So here you can say it has been reloaded and provided us all the code. Here you can see, and then you can just click on this continue in builder, and then sync to build, where you can go to the builder, miss the Locofy platform, and you can export the code. Just wait for some couple of seconds. Okay, it has been completed. Now just click on the go to builder. It will take you to the Locofy platform. Okay, so here you can see. Great. So it has been provided us all the code, which you can just copy and paste in your React project, or you can simply just go to this sync export button, click on this, and then you can export the component, or as well as you can export the whole project source code, or you can do multiple things such as deploy to Netlify and deploy to Botcell as well. So if you just want to get the code, you can just click on this export project. Then you can just select the page we have already selected, and then click on this you can say confirm codes export, and then wait for some couple of seconds. Just wait, and then it will be automatically downloaded the zip file. Here you can see it has been downloaded, and if you just go to the section, here we have got our code. If you just create one folder for code and paste the zip file here and extract it. Okay, so here you can see we have just exported all our code. source code for the design. If you just go to this page section, then index, here you can see all the source code we have successfully, you can say, exported from the Figma. So how easy it is, you can try it and let me know in the comment section. Till then, have a great day.